Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from Gemini to your MetaMask wallet in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and MetaMask. If you haven't already, download and set up MetaMask on your device. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're logged into your Gemini account, head over to the Withdraw section. You'll find this in the main menu, usually under Accounts or Funds. It's that easy. Next, select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Gemini supports various networks, so choose the Ethereum network, specifically ERC20, since that's what MetaMask uses for USDT. This step is crucial to avoid any transaction errors. Mixing up networks can lead to lost funds. Now, switch to your MetaMask app or extension. Click on your wallet to view the address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Head back to Gemini and paste this address into the withdrawal form. Double-check it, maybe even triple-check, to ensure it's correct. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits set by Gemini. Review all the details, then hit Confirm or Withdraw. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Once submitted, Gemini will process the transaction, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, keep an eye on your MetaMask wallet. You should see the USDT appear once the transfer is complete. If it doesn't show up right away, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Gemini to MetaMask in 2025. Before you go, a quick tip. Always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. Crypto can be volatile, so stay safe and informed. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.